Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to draw a zone on Tradingview. This is a simple but powerful tool for marking key support and resistance areas on our charts. Zones are helpful because they let us highlight price levels where the market has reacted before. Instead of using single lines, zones give us a broader view of where price might reverse or consolidate. This is useful for swing traders, day traders, or anyone who wants to make more precise trading decisions. Let's get started. Open your chart on Tradingview and pick the time frame you want to analyze. We can draw zones on any time frame, from short-term intraday charts to long-term daily charts. Next, go to the left-hand toolbar and click on Geometric Shapes. Then click on Rectangle. This is the easiest way to draw a zone. Move your cursor to the starting price of the zone and click and drag your mouse to the top of the zone, then release. You will see a shaded rectangle marking that price range. You can adjust the zone by clicking and dragging the edges to fine-tune the top and bottom levels. You can also move the entire zone by dragging it from the middle. Now, let's customize the zone. Double-click on the zone and you will see the settings. Here, we can change the fill color, transparency, and border style. A slightly transparent color is best so we can see the price action underneath while keeping the zone visible. Zones are useful for many reasons. We can mark support and resistance areas, highlight supply and demand zones, and define where we might want to place entries, exits, or stop-loss orders. Multiple zones can be drawn on the same chart to track different levels. To remove a zone, press the trash icon or press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard to undo changes. Here are some tips. Draw zones around clusters of price action, not just single highs or lows. Use different colors for support and resistance zones to keep the chart organized. Combine zones with other indicators, like moving averages or RSI, to confirm potential entries and exits. To recap, open your chart, select the rectangle tool, draw your zone across key price levels, customize the color and style, and use it to identify important areas where price may react. Drawing zones helps us see the bigger picture in our charts, making our analysis more visual and our trading decisions more confident. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly TradingView guides, and we will see you in the next one.